episode 3 of Only Mining Until I Hit $1 billion on Donut SMP. And this is the base. And I will sell it the loot I did get. So yeah, I will sell all of my loot. I will start at the cobble deep slate. So yeah, I just got kicked from the server, so I didn't sell anything. So here I did list them all, but they are not selling now. So but I will sell this also because I will sell it. I have too many items listed, so I will put this in here, and yeah, and wait when I sell it all and strip mine. And I did get diamonds, so I will strip mine now and then my items sell. I did find a base grift. I will check all of the I don't think there is anything. I can't open the chest. I don't know. I will check. No, I will check later on, you guys. Here is what I did get. Guys, this base is trash. L base. So, and I will find this tunnel and no. Okay, I will find that tunnel because I already had been there. Redstone. I don't need redstone, but I need this absorber. But I don't know what that absorber does. But okay, I will check back in like 1 second, but for me it will take 20 minutes. Bye. A tunnel. There was a amethyst geode in a mine shaft. I will not be looking in the mine shaft. And yeah, it been 20 minutes. I did go to this tunnel, and occasionally there is ores, but not many. So yeah. Why is there a chicken? More chickens. Is there a base? No, I don't think there is a base. But that is weird that there are chickens. So check you guys in 10 minutes, like, or 5, I don't know. And yeah. What is here? Oh, diamond horse armor. That is expensive. Is everything expensive? Lag very much. I will sell these. efficiency 2. No. Yes, efficiency 2. Not very good. Both not good. I don't know. And here is nothing. I will take the e-chest and this. And yeah, I just did find this, and yeah, I did find this when I did run a tunnel, and I did find diamonds. Yeah, and I will go in through this tunnel because I don't want to be dead. I'm scared the warden can kill me. Bye guys, this is all for today's episode because Donut SMP keeps crashing, and yeah, I will find maybe a base tomorrow, but today it is a short video, so goodbye.